Here's how to delete Supercell ID account. If you wish to delete your Supercell ID account, you can follow these steps. So here's what you need to do it. First of all, you want to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, what you could do is you could either delete your account through the game, or you could go ahead and open up your browser. So open up a browser, type in delete Supercell ID. And next, what you want to do is here you want to scroll down a bit, go to request deletion of your personal data. And you'll then be taken to this field. What you need to do is click on the try bar icon in the top right corner of your screen. And then you could go ahead and look for any sort options, but what I'm gonna do is here to continue you want to click on login. So click the login button, enter in your credential of your Supercell ID and click the login button. Now then you have to enter in the password or the verification code that will be sent to the registered email address and click on the continue button. Once you actually do it so, then you'll directly be taken to the ticket page where you could go ahead and submit the request stating that you would like to delete your account. Give a valid reason and make sure to follow the on-screen prompt, and that way you'll be able to delete Supercell ID account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.